Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound yen, I still think it's very clearly a 1, 2, 3. I think this is likely now in a wave 4, and I think eventually it will go up and make a new high for a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I think this is very clearly an A. I think this is now 3 waves up for a B, and it doesn't have to turn now. It could possibly go up more, but I do think there's a good chance that it possibly could go down for a wave C, maybe even in the near future. But keep in mind, this is a weekly time frame pattern, which means that this ABC to complete is going to take at least months and months. Going down to the daily time frame, that is. Now, we technically did break structure to the downside on the daily. I think there's a good chance that the wave B may be over. If the wave B is over, then potentially we are going to be starting a pretty significant downtrend for a wave C, which would likely eventually take out the low of wave A. So that potentially could be near a very big move to the downside. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, this is the structure break that I've been waiting for, and it definitely did break structure. Now, there is a chance that this is just an expanding correction right here, like an expanding flat, and it goes up and, grabs this higher fib level before it turns down. Definitely possible. But with the break of structure, I'm definitely looking at this move up as possibly a correction to this move down, and possibly it making like a three-way pattern, a lower high, and continuing back down. Maybe, if we're lucky, even a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3. So let's keep going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now on the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move down, because like I said, I'm suspecting that this move up right here could be a correction potentially to this move down. If it really is, then potentially it's an ABC, and potentially it will go up, maybe retest the 61.8 and then turn back down. So if you see it respect either the 61.8, the 50, or the 78.6 and make a nice engulfing move to the downside, then I personally would definitely take it as a short, potentially for the end of a wave 2 maybe even a wave 1, a wave 2, and starting a big wave 3 to the downside. Today is the US presidential elections, so I would expect a lot of volatility on the markets today. It seems like the next couple of days would potentially be a really good time to start a wave 3. So hopefully that's how it plays out, but if you pay attention to your Fibonacci levels, pay attention to your structure, hopefully you'll be trading in the right direction. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.